Hey guys, welcome back to the shop. As you've seen in the last video, we modified the gas tank. The seat we bought still doesn't fit. So, we got some tin. We're going to make a custom pan, get the foam ordered, completely build this a custom seat. That being said, we need to cut this frame, get the hoop put on here, finalize the frame. That way we know how big our seat pan needs to be. So we're going to roll that intro and we'll get into this one. Alright guys, let's grab the hoop. We'll kind of get some rough layout here. Figure out what we want. I kind of want to be, let's get you guys in here. Here we go. Alright guys, so what I want to do is I want the seat about mid-tire. And that's going to go somewhere like that. Like so. So we're going to go through. I'm going to take some different dimensions, see where I can get a square cut on these, where the last guy decided to cut it off. And we'll get going on getting this hoop set back in. We just want to tape this off so we can mark out a nice straight line. The only problem with trying to fix somebody else's cuts is they weren't even to start with. So this one had a lot more material sticking off of it. This one not so much, so the tape's kind of fighting me a little bit. Double check this real quick. Make sure everything measures out. 13.5 inches there. Short of 4 inches, short of 4 inches. So as they measure, they're even. So now what I like to do when I'm cutting a lot is I'll actually just pop the lens or the auto darkening shield out of my weld helmet. That's lens there. And I'll just sit that over here on my towel. And then it doubles as a grinding and cutting wheel mask. So let's get this cut off of here. So now, this will go like this, but it appears we're a touch wide. So what we'll do, I almost brought it in. Try and use this Looks like it's underbent a little bit. What we need to do is get us a couple slugs to go in the end of this. If you're cutting with anything else, oh, sorry for your luck. It's the only way to go, guys. Alright guys, so I'm not going to call out any builders, because everybody's got their own thing. But I've seen a lot of guys comment when they're putting these on, that they sleeve them, they slug them, and then they put it on and they weld it up, and I never see them once slug the frame. Maybe they're doing it and it's simply getting edited out. I don't know, but there's my frame slugs. That's simply just a sanded spot there so that I can get a good round. Now you'll notice the slugs that I have in there are the right size for the frame. The hoop itself is a little larger, so we're going to hold it by hand. Okay, as I was saying, the frame hoop itself is a little larger than the frame itself. So what I need to do is I'll hold it and I'll tack one side and then I'll get the other side set up. That way I get my spacing all the way I want it. But see, I can actually I got this clamp sitting right on the tire, and then I can rotate and actually hold it where I want it. So let's get this welder all hooked up and we'll get this bad boy tacked in place. And then don't forget, when you're tacking, make sure you tack it where you can cut it. If I decide I don't like the placement, I can still get in there and cut that tack if I need be. And then I'm leaving about an 1/8 inch gap. I like it. It follows that line nice right through. Nice and level, not twisted. Just want to make sure everything's good how you want it. Then we can actually go in and put some more tacks along it, around it, that way it doesn't move. But now we'll switch to my MIG gloves. Lens of the helmet. Again though, we're gonna go with some more tacks, and we're still gonna put them where we can get them cut out. Make sure we like how we got her sitting. I think it looks good. There's our hoop in there now. For now, we'll sander. It's another reason why we sleeve that. That way we can sand it smooth and we know we're not taking out any of the structural matter. Alright, now inches. .16 gauge steel. There you go. There's your seat. What do you think?